I was doing COVID test, self-COVID test. The purpose is I'm going for vaccination today, and one of the condition is that you shouldn't have COVID at that moment, the day you are getting this vaccination. और मुझे कुछ दिन से खांसी लगी हुई थी, so I thought it's better to test before I go. और इस वीडियो का मकसद ये है, I heard lot of stories from my friends and other people that you shouldn't get this vaccination. उसमें से एक रीज़न ये बताते हैं कि if you get this vaccination, somebody said on social media that you will die in 3 years if you get this vaccination. So stupid. और अगर by chance ये true भी है, सारी दुनिया तो vaccination लगवा रही है, सारी दुनिया मर जाएगी, and if you didn't get vaccination, what you will do alone in this world. और जो दूसरी रीज़न मुझे किसी ने बताई थी वो ये थी कि they might put some chip inside of you, तो आपको सारा कुछ keep track करने के लिए. I think you already have a chip. मतलब यहाँ से वो सारी आपकी वॉइस, लोकेशन, योर हेल्थ डेटा, एवरीथिंग दे आर कलेक्टिंग फ्रॉम योर स्मार्टफोन. सो आई थिंक दे डोंट नीड टू पुट एनी चिप एनी मोर. और मेरे ख्याल से इसके फ़ायदे शायद ज़्यादा हैं. एक फ़ायदा तो ये है कि इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, अब सारी कंट्रीज ऐसा ऐसा ये रूल इम्प्लीमेंट कर देंगी कि इफ़ यू आर वैक्सीनेटेड, आपको क्वारंटीन या कोरोना टेस्ट ये सारा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट ईजिली गो टू एनी कंट्री if you are vaccinated. But anyways, मुझे तो अपॉइंटमेंट मिल गई थी and today I'm going for this vaccination. And one other important thing to know कि अगर आपको पिछले 6 महीने में कोविड पॉजिटिव हुआ है then you will get only one vaccination. तो मुझे तो एक ही लगेगी and today I will just get my red passport कि भाई I'm vaccinated. Yes?
Yes.
Fast now. Yes, I'm vaccinated. They didn't give me that red passport, which some people were saying that you get a red passport, which is proof that you're vaccinated. But they gave me some paper where it is written that you're vaccinated now. So chill. So I can travel now freely. At least hopefully, because every country have their own rules. So I hope they will make a rule. But if you are vaccinated, then you can travel. And today I realized like how hard it is to not cough when you have to cough. I was sitting inside. I just wanted to cough, and I was keep controlling myself, and I was shaking. But for 15 minutes I didn't cough. And I came out then. But Alhamdulillah, I'm vaccinated now.